Hi, welcome to our WordPress help video. In this video we're going to show you how to insert links to text and images. As with previous videos, we've just logged in and this is our dashboard. So we're going to now go to the front end of our website by hovering over the name and clicking Visit Site. You can then navigate to the page you wish to edit. In this case, we're going to edit our home page. So we're going to enable the visual builder by clicking on that button at the top in the WordPress admin bar and scroll down to our content. Now firstly, we're going to insert links into the text. So as with editing a text block, you can click into it and then you can select a section of text that you want to insert your link into. And you can click on the little insert link icon there and you can insert your URL. Now, if you don't know the URL that you wish to enter, URL is the full website address, but including the HTTP bits. Now, if you're not sure what to enter there, the best thing we recommend you do is you go and search for it. So for example, if I wanted a link to our website, I just Google SiteBytes. I don't want to go to the website, so I'm just going to right click on that, select copy link address, go back in, right click, paste. There we go, it's put the full URL in and that would link to my website and I just need to press return. Okay, very fast way of editing text. However, if we want to do a few more things, now I recommend you do follow this method instead and I'll explain why in a second. So if we just click onto another module, then hover our mouse back over and click settings, we're going to get our word processing editor back. So I'm now going to give myself a bit more space. Okay, and there's the link that we created earlier. You can see that in our preview on the right. So I'm going to show you with a new link what I mean. So let's select this section of text. I'm going to click insert. Now you've got a few more options and this is why I recommend going in via this method. So I'm going to use the same URL, so that's the SiteBytes website URL. And this is what we recommend doing, and that is selecting target new window. Whenever you are looking to send somebody to an external website, if you don't set the target as the new window, then when they click the link, the new website will open up in place of your own in the same tab or window that you're on, which essentially means they've left your website. Now, if you're trying to get people to contact you or make a phone call and you've included a link for reference, you don't want them leaving your website. You want them to be able to go to a new tab. If they want to leave your website, they can close the old one down with your site in it. But if you select new window and then you click OK, it's going to put that setting in. Now, to update the link that we've just entered previously, if I click on it and then click Insert Edit Link, I can then update that link to say new window as well. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to save my changes there. Okay, and there's the link. I'm going to click on it and it opens up the SiteBytes website in a new tab, but I can still get back to the website here. So let's close that tab down. Okay, so now let's add the link to these images. So if I just click into another module, hover back, click settings, select the image, and in the same way with the text, as if you were selecting text like that, you just click onto the image, then select Insert Edit Link, paste your URL in, select the target, new window, click OK, and there you go. Now, if you want to link to another page on your website, the same principle applies. So let's say I wanted to link somebody to the services page. I right click on that, I'm going to copy the address, go back to my text module, click settings, select the link, insert or edit it, and select all of that, paste the new address in. Okay, now we can get rid of the web address, but the same thing will work. So we can get rid of the web address there, just send them to services, click OK. And you might even go, well, actually, it's an internal link, so I'm going to change that to none, which means if somebody clicks on the image, they will go to that page. Okay, so now, as before, we're going to save our changes. Wait for saving to finish. There we go, we've got the tick. I'm going to exit the Visual Builder. Now, if we have a look at how that works, if I click on the phone icon that's going to take us to services, that loads in the same window. And there we go, I'm on the services pages, so I can just click back and I can go. But as before, the external links to our website open in new tabs. And that's everything for this video. In subsequent videos, we'll be covering a little bit more advanced editing. Thanks for watching.